Okay, now whenever they first time, whenever they sign up, there should be all the option like this: sign up with Intuit, login, Amazon, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even Microsoft also, right?
Yes.
And PayPal also. Plus use email, which is a traditional way. After login, the first time usually take to the setting, check design and new design. Here they can add, edit and all kind of stuff, right? And even clone the design also. When they make a design later, they can clone it. Okay, new. The first time we automatically take to this page, right? Because these are the type of the check paper, right? Okay, check on the top, bottom, middle, three. This all we dynamically change it whenever they design it. We design the same way according to the bankers association. We can design any way it needed, right? Only the bank account number and check number has to be on the same place, which is fixed. Nobody can change it according to their banking rules here. But most of the case, 90% of the people, they take check on the top. Now here all the star is a basic needed for the thing, right? And they can do the routing number. Routing number must be uh, 9 digit, and this is a public information. Using the API we get it, right? And whenever they put the thing, it has to be minimum 9. Okay, 113 1032 111 So I put 8. It okay, it should give error. Bank name should be the right company name. What is the company name? My company, okay. And address also. Every time you should give an error. See, if I don't put city, bank account city name, so we have to give. And now I click it, it should give an error. This banking routing number must be 9 digit. It should not be less than or more. Okay, so I put the full 9. Then when you put it, the name of the bank should pull from the database on the Austin Bank, right? Even this also should be full from the API, right? Now if I click it, say account number is required, right? Now if I have a duplicate account number, you should this account number already, please enter your bank account number on the account number field, right? 456. Please enter the check starting number. And if they have a duplicate bank account, you have to warn them this account number already exists, and they can say they can still continue with the yes. Then again warn it, are you sure you want to continue since you already have it? Two warning, okay? Then go. Check number usually go from higher number. This is not required anymore. That's why there is no star. Actually, before this used to process the check. Now they use this is the fraction number right under the thing, but still they can enter it. It will give a little beautification for the check, right? Then they can add a logo also. We have a pre-built in logo and monogram, right? Each letter. And we have upload your own logo, right? So I we select a logo right here, and logo has to be optimized. No logo, no matter what kind of logo they use, even if they upload it, it has to be optimized according to this first time. If they want advanced setting, they can go to setting, check design, and they can change it according to their needs, right? Then you click save. You see, this is saying bank account number has been already been taken. So you click one more option, yes, I need to continue. Then you give a one more warning, are you sure? Okay, now next screen it should ask, do you want to add a signature? If no means they have to print the check and manually sign it. Yes means we should give an option to sign on the next screen. So we need, this is a only one option we have to sign organically, means in different ways, right? We need another option to sign. They have can upload their signature and electronically sign. So this way they can manually sign organically, right? With the mouse or touch screen, or they can scan it and sign on the phone. Then it will come over here, which will refresh in the background 5 seconds, right?
Or they can also select from the previous.
Or there should be an option, there should select from the previous signature. On the top, we should have put that. Select from the previous account, or sign organically, upload your signature, sign electronically. There should be four option, right? So this is all come in the organic. They can sign on the screen, send a link to your phone and sign it, send an email to tablet and sign it, right? And they can take a QR code and sign it. And electronic sign means the fourth option we have to add it. They just put the name Christopher null, then it should come just like this. That's it, okay? Which is also acceptable here. Edit the signature, then save it. And signature also we have to optimize it the way exactly for first time. Then if they want, they can go and change around, okay? So now we put this way, right? Save signature. Now this bank account is added, right? So now let's try to make a check over here. Click new. And what was the bank account we created? What was that? My company, right? And this one. And select a payee whom to pay the this thing.
So data is coming.
And $1. So whenever they select a payee, see the data is coming over here, and how much you paid in this month, this year, something, okay? And show all means it's go to another window, show all the payee of this one made, okay? And the payee address also can be edited over here, so they don't have to go to payee and this thing, and they can add a new payee over here, or you can do according to your user interface, okay? You may can add a small one on the top also, very little minute new payee, right? Check number also they can change it, and or it will go +1 +1 sequentially automatically for this bank account, okay? Every bank account have its own check number starting and keeping up, and they can add a category also or add a new category. So whenever they add a category for this payee, say this is an electric company, right? And we put as a utilities, it has to remember next time, right? Then it will be properly for a reporting purpose. Now account number also has to be connected with the PE. They can change it. For example, this is electric company, right? And you have an account number with them, right? You store it, and next time select it, automatically pop up this one, right? But invoice number should not be, there is no need to save it, because invoice number should be different for each invoice, right? It is not permanent for that payee for this company, right? Then any memo you can add it, or my uh, April electric bill, or my contractor, whatever, okay? Not means for internal purpose. This will not be printed on the check. For example, okay, I can say don't. Next time, if there is so many employees, they knew that it's kind of a note, right?
Internal note.
Yeah, internal note.
You don't print
This
on check.
I don't print on check, but it will reporting purpose. Later they can see it, okay? And that note. Now here also some people say, okay, this is the way they make the check, right? Save and print, or save, which is same thing, it will come back to the same screen, right? Some people say, let's print this one and see. This is the way check look like, right? So here also we need to work, see the signature also we have to, we did not do any advanced setting, right? It has to be optimized to come exactly a little bit more this side, which is pretty okay, but more optimized. Now another scenario, if you want to make a new check, right? Here some people say they want to check a blank check. They don't know how much will be the amount they're going out of town and buy it, right? So they can select a bank account, and they can say print without amount or without payee, or either option, okay? Warning, yeah, it's give a warning, this will be print. And so this will just give a check without that, okay? Let's try that. Now see, this is a blank check, right? It's made without amount and without payee, right? This is another account, that's why the signature put void, okay? Another scenario, when they click new, we already given the option to print multiple check, okay? Or mail a check, which means when they make a, this thing, when you click a mail a check, this we will mail to that payee they selected, right? They have an option to how to mail it.
Calculate also.
Huh?
If they click, it will calculate.
Yeah, it will click, they will calculate. For example, this one calculate on the top, okay? notify SMS 50 cents, and this one is free. Okay, now whenever if they put the phone number with the payee, when they add it, it should pop up here, right? The payee phone number should come here, or they can add it manually. Okay, just like a payee address information. Okay, this also they can add it and send it. Then this check will be printed in our facility and in the same business day, and we will mail it to them by the postal service, right? Another option is they can do multiple check, right? It means they don't have to create many times. When they click over here, they can select the base account, right? And they can select base amount if everybody is same. Okay, or base memo payroll or bonus for everybody end of the year. Okay, and then base category also, right? Whatever category they have, they can select, and you can individually change it. Okay, it's only $15, or you can change the bonus. This also individual